Good evening and welcome to Weh Yuh Seh Views. I'm your host, Sasha, bringing you global news you can trust in just a few minutes. Here are today's headlines. August 16, 5 p.m. Evening Digest. Top global headlines. Less leaders worldwide react to Trump-Putin summit with no ceasefire agreement signed. European leaders including Sturmer, Macron and von der Leyen pressed for strong security guarantees for Ukraine. India called the talks diplomatic progress, while Russia hailed it as a symbolic win. Breaking news. Zelenskyy to visit Washington on Monday to negotiate a peace roadmap directly with Trump, aiming to push for a trilateral summit that includes Russia. Politics and diplomacy. No agreement reached at the Alaska summit. Both presidents portrayed the meeting as productive, but no tangible ceasefire or concessions were made. European leaders remain cautiously optimistic and demand clarity. Business and finance. No significant developments today. Markets remain watchful of post-summit responses. Technology and AI. No breaking news in tech or AI. Holding steady for developments. Climate and weather alerts. Hurricane Erin strengthens to Category 4 in the Caribbean, heading toward landfall. U.S. forecast. Florida, hot and humid, highs around 93 degrees Fahrenheit, 34 degrees Celsius. Georgia, warm and humid with highs near 90 degrees Fahrenheit, 32 degrees Celsius, and chance of evening rain. New York, warm and dry, 88 degrees Fahrenheit, 31 degrees Celsius, with minimal precipitation expected. Science and health. No major updates this evening. Special reports. Pakistan flash floods claim over 300 lives. Torrential rains devastated northern Pakistan, leaving at least 344 confirmed dead and rescue operations in progress. That was your Weh Yuh Seh Views Evening Digest. Thank you for tuning in. I'm Sasha. See you tomorrow morning at 8 a.m. for the next morning briefing. Stay informed, stay vigilant.